Namaste. Welcome to Beauty and Colorful Tales. I'm Yolandi, a qualified skincare therapist, also known as a somatologist. And on this platform of mine, I share anything skincare, beauty, and nail care tips and tricks. So if you haven't yet, feel free to like and subscribe to join us on a healthy, glowing, and radiant skincare journey, as well as nails. Today I would be discussing something with you all that we all do, or a lot of us have done before, as we use certain ingredients or products that we find around the house and apply it onto our faces. Now I'm going to be listing 5 things that you should never use on your face, or at least try to avoid it, because they can cause adverse reactions on the skin. So let's have a look at the different things that you should avoid. The first thing we need to avoid using on our skins, and this is something that has been used for many years, is toothpaste. Now I know a lot of people have been using it on their pimples and breakouts as it supposedly removes it overnight, but it does contain harsh ingredients to remove heavy buildup of plaque on our teeth. So it can cause burns and infections on the surface of our skins if we do use it. So please try and avoid this ingredient. The second ingredient that we should be avoiding on our faces is baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. The reason for this is it can be quite harsh on the skin, causing over-drying as well as skin irritation and inflammation. It also is an alkaline, so it will cause a total imbalance of the pH of our skins. The third thing we need to avoid using on our faces is bars of soap that we use to have a wash with or wash our hands, because it causes an imbalance with the pH of our skins, as well as remove the natural oils needed for our skins, disturbing the natural barrier that is on your skin to protect it from external factors. The fourth ingredient that should be avoided on our faces is lemon or lime juice. Now the reason for this is it is way too acidic, disrupting the natural pH of our skins, causing irritation, burning, as well as excess drying of our skin. Now I know that this is a very common ingredient used in DIY recipes to lighten and brighten the skin. There is a lot of different other ingredients which is safer to use on the skin than lemon and lime juice. If you want the vitamin C effect from lemons and limes, rather enjoy a nice cold refreshing glass of lemon or lime juice that you can make at home. It's got loads of vitamin C, boosting the skin from the inside out, as well as being good for the health in general. The last and fifth ingredient to avoid using on our skins is coconut oil, as it is comedogenic. Now, especially if you've got a skin type where you are prone to pimples and breakouts, it is best to avoid this ingredient on your skin. But if you've got a very dry skin where your skin lacks natural oils, it can be beneficial for your skin, as it is a very nourishing oil as well. If you are using this oil as a makeup remover or a pre-cleanse or a cleansing balm, always ensure that you do use a nice gentle cleanser afterwards to remove the oil if you are prone to pimples and breakouts. Remember, a glowing, radiant, healthy skin is a journey that takes a lot of diligence as well as patience. And remember that before you use any ingredients, whether it is DIY or whether it is purchased products, to always do a patch test to ensure that there's no adverse reactions or allergic reactions. Thank you for watching. If there's anything else that you would like to know about skincare or beauty, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on a glowing, radiant skincare journey. I'll see you in the next one.